Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon. Your device will ask you if you really want to change the language, so simply tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here in this list, you can simply reorder them to quickly change the language. So just tap on the language and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Confirm it and it will be immediately changed. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and here just tap on this minus icon. And after getting back, you can see that you've got only one language applied here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.